Hi, just a quick video on making dining reservations with the Walt Disney World app. So we're going to open it up, and on the bottom you will see the plus. It's pulsing right now. We're going to hit it and then check dining availability. How many people? We're going to say 2. And let's say we want to go today. We're in the parks today. So today's the 8th. And if you see now, which is to the left of lunch, then it will show you the walk-ups. Now, of course, it's going to use locating services, so you're going to need to have your locating services on. I am also not in the parks. So you will see that it's telling me that there's not any nearby me because I'm not there. However, you can see there are some places that say it's unable to join due to high demand. And then you see others that say move closer to the restaurant as there may be availability. All of these restaurants are doing walk-up. Now, one thing that you can do is check to see if the place that you want to go has a last-minute reservation. And if it doesn't, then the walk-up might be something for you because there's quite a few. Even showing, like Tony says, 55-minute wait. So it might be that you go join the wait list, go do something, and come back. Okay? Now, let's look and see. Let's use Tony's for an example. I want to go and eat at 4:30. So I scroll down, and I do not see it. Well, it's also showing me a huge list of places, right? And many of which are in Disney Springs. So if you look at the bottom right, there's a funnel button. If I click it, then it will now allow me to filter. So I am in Magic Kingdom, and you will see that it automatically moves over to the walk-up wait list because there's not anything. It's 3 o'clock Eastern time, so let's check at 6:30 and see what happens. Again, I need to change the filter. Done, and there's nothing. Nothing at 7. But again, if I go back to the now, it's going to check around 3 o'clock. Now my wait list comes back up. Okay, and all you have to do is move close to the resort, and you would be able to get on that wait list. Now, let's say I want to do something later in the week. We'll say my kids are with me. So we're a party of 4 now, and we want to go on Saturday. And we want to do dinner. All of the things that are available, again, are going to come up. A lot will be Epcot. A lot will be Disney Springs. So let's say I'm going to be at Animal Kingdom. I filter out, and you'll see that just Tiffin's is available. So I can go back to the filter and take Animal Kingdom off and say, okay, I'm going to be at Magic Kingdom. As you see on the bottom, it's saying nothing. If I take it off and go to Hollywood Studios, again, nothing. What if it's my off day? If you look underneath Star Wars Galaxy's Edge that says more options with the plus button, now it's going to pull down another menu that has all of the restaurants. So let's say I'm staying at Contemporary. So the wave comes up. And I can see the wave. Okay. This is very easy to do. And then again, when you hit the X, it's going to take you back to your main page. And if you scroll up where it says My Plans, you can go in and it will show you all your plans. Yes, these are my family's plans. We go to Disney a lot. Y'all already know that. So let's say that I want to add a reservation, and I want to show you what it looks like. So let's go to check dining availability 4, and we're going to go the 22nd of December. 6:30 a.m. There's probably not anything. Oh, wow, there is. Woo! Okay, so we're going to go eat an early breakfast. I tap on it, and then the next page, it's going to get me to confirm it. All I need to do is scroll up, agree, box, book now. And the next page will show me the confirmation that it did go through. Okay? Again, I can hit the X on the top left, and I go back to my plans, and I can scroll up and find it, and there it is. Obviously, we're not going to do that one, but it's good to show you. So if I need to change it, then I just touch it, and now I can modify it. On the right side, you see the pencil, and it will bring up, again, the dates or the time. So I just move them to the right, and I doubt this one's going to have any more, but I'll look and see. It might. Oh, it does, especially since it's not a character mail right now. So I could just change the time to 11:25. And again, the next page is going to be a confirmation telling me that it has been changed. I have read the agreement. I'm going to book now. And as soon as it processes, it will take me to the confirmation page. Top left is the X. And again, my plans will refresh. And I can scroll down and see that it has indeed changed. Now I'm going to cancel it because I don't need it. I don't want to take somebody else's spot. So on the left side, you see the X. You just hit X, and then yes to cancel. And now it will cancel it, and you will get an email showing you that. And you'll get an email showing that you made it, that there was a change, there was a cancel. You'll have emails for all of that. But that's how you do dining. It's pretty easy. The main thing to remember when you're in the park is that now button. So again, you go to the plus, dining, and for people, for today, it only works on that day. See, if I do 9, the now goes away. But on 8, it shows up. And it will show me the walk-up list. And you have to be near it. Have your locator services on. Okay? I hope that helps. Let me know how else I can help you plan. Or better yet, just have a great day in the parks. Bye.